Good morning, everyone. Bootsy and I are starting off our day in this beautiful, beautiful location. We are back at our local park. It's a city park that has this beautiful waterfall. Whoop, Bentley. That's rude. It has this beautiful waterfall. Hopefully you can see it clearly. Look how beautiful that is. Come here, Boots. Bentley is just having the time of his life. It smells so fresh back here. And it's a little bit cool under these trees so we can have time to explore without getting too warm. Come on, Boots. Bentley Boots. Why is your legs all twisted up? Hold on. Come back here. You're all twisted. Alright, there we go. Let's head back up to the trail. Come on, Boots. Come on, Bootsy. Yeah. Such a smart boy. So we are on our way to a different end of the park today because we didn't get a chance to see the rose garden before. So that is where we are headed to now. It's just beautiful back here. Makes me so happy. There's like people fishing. Look at this beautiful tree. Oh, looks like lots of people have carved into it. Not sure how I feel about that. This is a lovely spot. Let's go down here. Come on, Boots. Come here, buddy. Stay close. Make sure you can't go too far. Even though actually it looks like you can go all the way down there. Oh, you can. It's a little pathway. Come on, Boots. We can go down. Be careful, buddy. I guess people come down here to fish. Look at that. What a beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, there's a huge dog over there. And he does not have a leash on. But I think he's okay. Just come close, buddy. The big lab over there, he's just enjoying the water. But let's just keep Bentley close. Come on, buddy. Sometimes Bentley gets a little barky. And he will exasperate the situation. But that is a lovely spot. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful walk. And I just love how, like, right over there, look how pretty he is. Whoa, there's the doggie. He just threw like a bone in there. That's so cool, or stick. They're playing fetch in the water. Maybe one day, Bootsy. Okay, let's keep walking. We gotta make it to the rose garden. Oh yeah, you can see them down there. It's like a little beach, actually. That's cool. Just a second, Bootsy. We can't go that way. We gotta go this way. Come on. Looks like they're doing some work. over there. So let's cross. Oh, look how pretty that is down there. Let's cross. Come on, buddy. We'll go across this pretty little bridge here. Bootsy, you're going to be so tired today. Come on. We both are. It's a nice long walk. I just love being out here in the trees. I should probably use some of my bug spray, to be honest. Although it's so nice and cool, I don't think we have to worry too much about mosquitoes. And I made sure to wear light colors for ticks, just in case. Oh, there's another little doggie up there. Oh, two little doggies. Let's go down here, Boots. Because like we said, Bootsy gets a little bit barky sometimes. He's getting better. He's a pandemic baby. So, he didn't get as much socialization as he should have. But he's getting better, right, Bootsy? Whoa, not another poops. We'll be back, guys. Potty break. We have made it to the rose garden. Oh, a little free library. Always love to see it. Love to see a little free library. We have made it to the rose garden. I don't even know if it's only roses. Let's see. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, it looks like somebody's doing like a photo shoot in there. Like a proper photo shoot. I think. That's what it looks like. So maybe we won't go inside. We can check it out from here. Look how beautiful this is. Yeah, pretty sure somebody's doing a photo shoot. No, these are lots of different flowers, not just roses. Oh, these are, let's do some fact finding. Just a second, let's get the phone out. All right, so these, let's see. I don't know what these are. They're little, whatever they are, they need a little water. These are, hold please. Oh, these are roses. Huh. What an interesting rose. Multiflora rose? Interesting. Multiflora rose, that's what this says. So this is a rose garden. It must be a rose garden. But, well, let's look at these because I suppose these could be roses too. But look how beautiful. They just don't look like any roses I've ever seen. Let's see. Let's check this one. These are, I love that little double shot there. These are, let's see, verdict is, yeah, roses. So this must be fully a rose garden. Whoop, Bentley, hold on. Bentley's a little twisted here. How do you keep getting so twisted up? Let's see here. That there. That there. There we go. Now, whoop, Bentley, wait. Okay, let's go this way. So much going on here. These are beautiful. Oh, look at the sky. So pretty. Hey, Boots. Oopsie. Come here. I don't know if you're allowed in there, buddy. I don't know what these creepy guys behind me are doing. Keep driving behind me, like really slow. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I have to get a little bit of a few pictures of this because it's just the way this is growing and the way they've pruned it is just so pretty. Hold on, buddy. I think Boots is getting a little restless. We're probably gonna end our walk soon. But look how pretty this is.